Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can build a social network really free or very inexpensively. What are some of the best options out there for 2024? I think I've got some great insights. I will be back in a few moments, folks. Coming back, folks, so you're looking at what are some of the options if you want to move away. Let's say you've got a Facebook group and you want more control, and you're looking at some of the free or some of the best options out there. Now, at WP Tonic, we think WordPress is a great platform, but I will be covering some of the fully hosted SaaS alternatives. But let's start off with a couple of great WordPress options. Number one is BuddyBoss. It's a great platform. It's got a load of power, a load of options. You can run a few hundred, or you can run over 10,000 students on it. It is rather a bit of a beast because it offers so much power. But if you're really dedicated, it's a great solution. Another one that doesn't take so much setting up and is cut back in its functionality, but still offers the core functionality that you might be looking for, comes from Lifter LMS, and it's their social learning add-on. Lifter LMS is a fantastic option, cost effective. The core of it's free. If you need to add the social learning add-on, that's around $125 a year. It's not hugely expensive, and it gives you a great platform to move your people from like Facebook. So it's an option that you should really consider, in my opinion. A SaaS solution, I would say the leading one is Mighty Networks. It's a good platform. You don't get the digital sovereignty and the total control that you would get with BuddyBoss or Lifter. It is a little bit limited when it comes to the email marketing side of it. But if you're determined to look at a cloud option, I would say that Mighty Networks, you could do a lot worse than that. Another one is Circle. Circle is a little bit different than Mighty Networks. Mighty Networks is a kind of Swiss Army knife kind of solution, whereas Circle is more focused in providing the social interaction side. In some ways, it's similar situation to BuddyBoss. I would say BuddyBoss in the WordPress area is Mighty Networks, and I would say Lifter, the social learning, is kind of in a way what Circle is. Yeah, I think that's a good way of explaining it. There's about 3 or 4 other solutions out there. I've written a great post. You'll find the link in the description underneath this video. I don't want this video to be too long, but if you want more information, just find the link. Just utilize the link underneath, and I go through all the options, have all the links and the prices all in this post for you in all one place. What more could you ask for? If you found this video really useful, subscribe to the channel. We publish a ton of stuff about WordPress, about membership, about the marketing, everything that could help you be successful in 2024 about building your membership website. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.